What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video we're going to put to the test survival takedown compact bow. I got one of these ones. Let's see what it's all about. I have put to the test folding bows. Well, this one is a little bit different. It's not really folding bow, it is takedown bow. So let's see how easy it is to put it together and take it down, and at the same time we'll try to shoot with them. By the way, I'm not expert at shooting bows, so it will be cool to see average person skills with the takedown bow. Alright, let's see what it's all about. First of all, it came with the 3 arrows. They feel pretty light and there's the tips on them. Really nice arrow. I feel like the best thing to do is just lay everything out on the floor like that and we'll put everything together. By the way, it's brand new, I just got it. So it comes in this little paper. We don't need paper anymore. Boom. But it is very simple. Let me show it to you close up. Just put it in like this and let's it into this little piece and put it in like this. Let's it into this little piece. And then there's a string and it's information about the string right here. Boom. And then we're going to put it on a bow. You put it on one side, and I think I might have to back up the camera so you guys can see. And what you're going to do is just step in like that, and with your hip, I'm a little bit too tall, just push it down. And wait a minute, gotta fix this thing first of all. There you go. And do it with your hip. I'm tall, so it's a little bit awkward for me to do sometimes. Depends on the bow, but there you go. That was really easy. Okay, let's try to take it down. See how fast it is to take it down. Same action. Same action. Boom. Oh! You see, it kind of falls out, so be careful. Boom. You took down your bow, put it in your bag. So very fast, take it down, to put it together. It was my first time, so as you can see, unpackage it, put it into here, put it into this slot. Then you put your string in on one side, set it down. So one more time just to show you how fast it is to set it up. Easy. Okay, let's see the accuracy. Obviously it was super fast to take it down, to put it together. I love it. I was editing the video and I just realized I made huge mistake stringing the bow. What you wanna do, same thing. You're going to put the string on one side and you don't wanna do it off the ground because you're gonna mess up your bow. You wanna put the bottom of it right on your leg. I just forgot. It's been a while since I had to string a bow. And now you got the string, it's fully untangled. You use your hip to bend the bow and boom. So this way it's much more comfortable and I'm not messing up the bow on the dirt and rocks. So that's how you want to string the bow. Don't forget it. Put it over, put it on your leg, unstring it. Don't let go of this thing because if you do, before the bow will fall apart. Take it off, boom. Okay, obviously handle is not the most comfortable, but for the compact bow it will do. By the way, I'm putting the arm protector because I have pretty big hand and this kind of bows, foldable ones, usually hits my arm pretty bad. So having a guard definitely helps a lot not to hurt yourself. Wow, feels good. Not bad. After a couple of shots, I already feel it. This bar right here, because it's all square, every time I shoot it, it's actually cutting it into my hand. So if you're gonna be practice like hundreds of shots a day, you probably would better off wear some kind of gloves with this kind of bow because it's not really that comfortable to shoot. It's going to hurt your hand after a while, which is not a big deal. But again, this is not a practice bow. This is a survival takedown bow, which is good to practice with, so that way you know this bow, how to shoot with it, how it's act, because it's obviously very different. You don't have this comfortable handle but at the same time it's very compact. Let me show you a couple other angles, show you how the arrow flies when I release it. Arrow holder is not the best, kind of goes sideways sometimes. Not bad. This is fun. As you can hear, I'm shooting the target pretty much every single time. I'm only about 30 feet away from it though, which is pretty good distance. I love it so far. This is really amazing. I'm getting used to this bow, and for survival tactical bow, this is really good. So this is about 15 arrows I just put to it, and like I was saying, my hands is starting to hurt. If you look at it, my hand right now, you see without gloves my hand is bruising up after 15 shots. So maybe put on some kind of gloves, because handle is not so comfortable. But look at this spread. This is not bad at all. Just from about 30 feet away I missed one or two, but it was just first couple shots because I was getting used to it. Okay guys, couple more shots from this angle. The target is over there. Turned it around a little bit so that way we can see. Alright guys, there goes nothing. You see that arrow kind of went sideways, but it was my fault. I didn't really pull it hard and I was holding the pull way too long. Very nice. The arrow hits my hand a little bit, so I'm gonna try to grab it a little bit lower. See what happens. So you be the judge. What do you guys think? I like it. It's pretty fun, pretty accurate. Oh, went too high. I put a little bit more stain to that one. Oh, went too high once again. Definitely need a finger guard as well, because my fingers are getting tired. Let me show you something. After about 20 hits, look at this. This Velcro is coming off completely. I wish they put something better than sticky Velcro. Well guys, I like it so far. As you can see, I'm hitting the target, not from too far away. But again, I don't have too much skill. Just a little bit that I practice once in a while. Very rarely. There you go. Ow. Definitely need a finger glove because my hand is pretty tender and it's very red, these two fingers. So you know what, I'll give this thing a thumbs up, because for survival situation I love how it's take down bow really easy, and at the same time it's very compact. So once again I'm gonna try to take it down for you, see what it looks like. So you put your leg in. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it the right way. Anyway, it works for me. I would hold it like this with the other string, so that way it does not fall off. You see, if you let it go and once you bring it back, then you can take off this thing, pull it out, boom, put it in your little baggie. Let's see what it looks like once you put it away. Stick all your pieces into here, and of course the string, you gotta be kind of careful with this stuff. You don't want to mess it up. So fold it very nicely so that way it doesn't tangle, and put it back into this little Ziploc bag. That way it will last a lot longer. By the way, my arrows are really cheap. This is the arrows that come with. They are much longer, which is really nice. With my hands, I need the longer arrows for sure. Look at that, 10 arrows fits pretty comfortably. Now again, I can put it over my shoulder, over my neck. Boom. Feels pretty good the way it fits there. Well guys, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this takedown survival bow? I really like it. It's lightweight, compact, not super comfortable, but again, it's for the survival situation. The idea of it is to be really small, to put it into your bug out bag, so that way you can hike for many miles and don't have to carry a big bow next to you. But anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this thing? Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.